friends, we are back, and today we're going to do some math with you. I'm Mrs. Morell.
I'm Mrs. Gary.
We're the Quaranteachers. So today we're going to learn about how to do double-digit addition without regrouping up to sums of 100. Pretty big.
It is.
I know.
That sounds like some true first grade math.
It is. All right, so friends, the first thing you want to do is we're going to have to line up our numbers, okay? So let's do you want to do it with me, Mrs.
Sure,
Carey? We'll
absolutely.
do 23, okay, plus, let's do just plus 32, okay? So when you're doing your double-digit addition, you're going to want to make sure that the ones, Mrs. Carey wrote hers very neatly, the ones are in line, so here's the ones. Do you go in about tens places and ones places, Mrs. Carey, in
At the end of the year, we may touch on that, but not much.
Okay.
Not much.
So we've kind of been going over place value. So this is the one section, and then this is the tens, okay? And so you want to keep those where they're supposed to be. Okay, so 3 plus 2, we're going to add that, 5, yes. And then 2 plus 3, 5 again. Okay, so the answer is going to be 55. All right, looks like it's 5:15 because I've got the line down there. 55, all right, friends? Okay, so we're going to do a couple practice rounds. So we're going to give you a second. Go get your paper and your pencil. And, oh, thank you. I'm glad Mrs. Carey thought of an eraser. All right, I'm going to see if I can trick Mrs. Carey, friends, okay?
Oh, it won't be hard.
It will. All right, so if you have your paper and pencil or whatever, if you have a dry erase board, that's great too. Okay, so the next problem we're going to do, let's see, how about 38? 38 plus, let's do 51. Okay, 38 plus 51. Oh, and Mrs. Carey, again, she writes so neatly. Now, when we do these at school, we usually have worksheets. So the numbers are usually pretty well aligned with each other. So, but if you're just doing it at home, make sure you've got the ones lined up and the tens lined up, okay?
Yes.
So you want to work it out first, Mrs. Carey?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I'm going to start over on this side, the one side. I'm going to take the 8, I'm going to add a 1 to it, and I'm going to get 9. And then, am I looking at that right?
You are.
Yes, okay.
You are. I know. It's hard.
Upside down. And then the 3 plus another 5 would be 89.
89. Excellent. That is exactly right. And friends, Mrs. Carey was so smart to start with the ones. Right now on these kind of numbers, it probably doesn't make much of a difference. But when we do start regrouping, then it's going to make a big difference. So if you just get in the habit of always starting with the ones, that'll really help you later on. Okay, let's try a subtraction with the same thing, okay? All right, so the big number we'll put on top. We're going to put 68. Okay, and then we're going to subtract. So remember, that sign's a little different. It's just a straight line, okay?
Minus the minus.
Yep. Oh, I love that. What is it?
Minus the minus.
Minus the minus. I'm going to have to use that.
Takes things away.
Okay, minus the minus. Okay, and is it like a character, minus?
Yes, it's a poster I have in the classroom, and it's a minus, and he's like got a bandit kind of.
Oh, because he takes things away.
He takes things away. And then Gus the plus. He's just happy.
I love those. Really, I need to go watch in kindergarten a little bit, I think, and that'll help make things a little more fun and interesting. Truly. Okay, so we're gonna do minus 34. So again, you've got to line everything up, and it's the same thing, my friends. So 8, take away. I'll do 1, and then Mrs. Carey's gonna try to do 1. I'm sure she can. 8, take away 4. Okay, and we're gonna get 4. All right, and then 6, take away 3, and we're gonna get 3. And you know, for my friends out there, we've got 34 as our answer. My friends out there, we always ask, how did you get that answer? And I'll have some students will say, I know my doubles facts. 3 plus 3 is 6, and that's a wonderful way to do it.
Yes.
Or they do, they take 6 and subtract, so we put the bottom number in our pocket.
I love that little tip you
and then
shared.
we count up to 6, 4, 5, 6, so then you know it's 3, you're gonna get down here. So they'll do it, but they give me all kinds of strategies.
Yeah,
so
that's
they're really
really
smart.
great.
They are. Smart group out there. Okay, you ready for your solo?
I'm ready.
All right. So guys, write this down. 85. Take away. minus the minus, 22. 85, take away 22. Okay, show us how you got your answer, Mrs. Carey.
All right, well, I don't have any cool tricks like you do, but I would say, I would start with the 5, because that's my larger number. When I'm subtracting, I always want to start with that larger number. So I have 5 in all, and I would take away 2 from that group to give me 3.
Excellent.
And then again, over on this side, 8 is my total in my group. I'm going to take away 2. And I don't know that I can write a success. I need down.
Very good. All right, so there's the answer. That's right. We both got the same one, 63. Friends, tell me this, Mrs. Carey, when you're teaching subtraction, do you have them draw pictures and cross things out? Okay.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, so like if you were in kindergarten and we were looking at the problem, we don't do double digits in kindergarten. We leave that to those smart first graders. But so like if this would be a typical problem that we would have in kindergarten, and I might say, show me 5 counters out here to the side, and then how many are we going to take away? And we would X out the 2 that we were going to take away to get our final answer of 3.
Excellent,
So
yeah.
that's a tip that we...
And we do start off doing that, and then we just kind of, because our numbers are going to start getting so much bigger that
Right.
we need to.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's great, though.
Yes.
It's a wonderful way to do it.
Yeah.
All right, friends. So work with your brothers and sisters, give each other problems, and try to subtract, and it should be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
All right. Take care. That was some math for you guys. We love you and miss you. Talk to you later.
See you guys.